You have 2 new messages.
Hello again. So, the big boss man told me to inform you about our off-limit areas. I know that sounds kind of silly since you're supposed to be guarding the place, but the manager's adamant that we don't go where we're not supposed to be. He's mostly talking about the rooms that aren't on your little mini-map. And they aren't on the map because it apparently isn't any of your business. Or ours, for that sake. Like that extra room next to the part and service room. I believe you can see the door from camera 9. Yes, thank you. Here, keep it tuned. Excuse the sound of my delicious latte. Anyway, the manager says it's just a storage room, but I've of course heard many stories from my superstitious colleagues. So it's either an extra kitchen, a staircase to a secret underground tunnel, or it's where he puts his bowling equipment because he doesn't want his wife to know he's still bowling. And of course, I don't believe it's anything special, to be honest. I overheard him talking about the room once. He mentioned something about some old unused stuff. Maybe he's hiding his smile in it. Who knows?
Yeah, sweetie.
Anyway, I am all out of time.